everyone! In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some peppermint white chocolate cookies. These are perfect for all the peppermint lovers who want to express their love in more than just a candy cane. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and let's get on to the video. The first thing that I did in this recipe is I combined all of my dry ingredients. So I leveled out 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then just whisk those all together before setting that bowl aside. For the next part of this recipe, I actually creamed my butter, sugar, and cream cheese. For this recipe, I actually combined a 1/2 cup of butter and a 1/2 cup of cream cheese together, and I creamed those together along with 1/2 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. The reason why I decided to use cream cheese is I wanted them to have like a nice creamy and fluffier flavor than you would originally find. I think this was honestly the true success to this recipe, which kind of makes it different than the normal sugar cookie that you would find anywhere. Into my butter, sugar, and cream cheese, I then added in 1 egg until all combined. Into that, I flavored it with 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract. You don't want to use any more than this. Trust me, this has a strong enough flavor, especially once you add the peppermint on top. And then I added in my dry ingredient mixture. I actually removed my hand mixture from this and I just folded it in with a spatula. Once my cookie dough was pretty much together, I then added in a 1/4 cup of candy canes and then just added that into my dough until pretty much combined. And then to that, I then added in about a 1/2 cup of white chocolate chip. I then set my dough aside in the fridge, and then I preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I lined a large pan with a silicone mat or use parchment paper if that's what you have on hand. I then removed my dough from the fridge and using about a 1.5 tablespoon measurement of dough into a ball. Onto each ball, I then covered them with a couple extra white chocolate chips in addition to adding a little bit more peppermint onto the tops. I then repeated these steps until all my dough was got. Eventually, you should be making about 16 to 18 cookies. Then, I placed my tray of cookies in the oven for about 9 to 11 minutes. These are what my cookies looked like after I removed them from the oven. I let them cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. And just like that, you have some amazing peppermint cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day no matter your situation or location. Goodbye!